Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and it's giving you an E46 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and is there anything that you can do about it. So this is not one of the easier things to fix. This is the drive motor that's overheating. And so a couple things that you want to do. First of all, the most easiest thing to do to try to fix this is just to come in here. One, make sure you haven't overloaded your washer, and two, make sure the drum is turning freely, because if you're overworking the drive motor, then it can overheat. Now, if it's none of those things, then it could be that the wiring, there's a problem with the wiring going to the drive motor, so you can check the wiring to the drive motor. And then finally, what it really could be is that the drive motor is just getting old, it's not turning as well as it used to, and so that all that friction and everything is causing it to overheat. And really the best thing to do in that scenario is just to go ahead and replace the drive motor. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.